Welcome back, my friends. I got a project. I got this junk chainsaw. They said it's not working. They wanted to trash it. I said, give it to me. I'll work on it. So I'm going to dismantle everything and see whether I can run this again. And that's my project for this week. Okay, come on, let's go to the basement and I'll start dismantling and see what is the issue, how I can fix this, Come on, let's go. The first thing when we walk inside, we must check whether there is a fuel in this or not, because when we work indoor, make sure we won't spill any fuel. Just check that the oil is there. Oil is also empty.
Okay.
This is choke. Okay, we'll remove this. This fuel line has become brittle and it is broken, so maybe this is one of the reasons it's not working. So see, the fuel line is broken here, and let me remove this handle first. Let me remove this. Clean this and see whether I can use the same carburetor or replace it. So it has become a brittle. Of course, I need to change this. And replace all the fuel lines and clean the carburetor and see whether the carburetor is working. Everything, I'll block this so that nothing goes inside. This goes to the primer bulb, and from primer bulb it goes to the tank. So I hope this will work. This is a new primer bulb, I got it. So this goes back to the tank, and this is a section. Let me start assembling this. So let me assemble this. I'm going to use a new filter. This is suction, so this should be longer than the delivery. So I'll put it inside. And this I'll keep it on top. Means okay. Now, so let me fix the oil line. I'm going to use the old filter. I found this inside this tank. Time to install the carburetor. Carburetor, you can never go wrong installing this way or that way, because this has got a 2 pins here, and that's like a register. So yeah, so I need to cut this and fix this too. the inlet before installing the carburetor. Okay.
Okay.
And this line I should put it here.
So let me install the GoPro stop.